This is Universal Studios Singapore. A few minutes they'll be opening the gates. So a lot of people are already standing in line.
Don't go, here's haunted.
To secure the Allspark. Initiate red alert incursion protocol.
So the fate of the Earth is in your hands. Take the Allspark to safety.
Taking of videos, guys, is just up to here. Photos and videos. Hey, are you excited, boy? Oh,
I'm ready.
yeah, boy. Go muna. Han.
Sa gitna siya.
Yeah. Go. Alright, so here's the Jurassic Park. Come on, let's enter the Jurassic Park. Hey Shrek, what's up, man? Welcome to Far Far Away. So we are entering this far far away place. Alright, we go eat now, so we can roam around again, okay?
Yeah, my legs are crying.
Alright, man.
I'm full na. It's time to walk a lot and a lot and a lot again.
There. Alright, so this boy is checking for a souvenir.
We're checking the minion shop. Here's magnets, you know.
Left magnet.
Okay, they have magnets. Of course, they have magnets here, guys. So, look, do you guys know this movie? The first one.
So let's wrap it up, guys. So that's our journey here at Universal Studios Singapore. So that completes our vlog for today.
Yeah.
Time check, it's 5 p.m. and we are very tired, so we're heading to Maxwell, but I'll include that in a separate vlog. Okay, say bye.
Bye, guys. You know, always have a good day.
Whee!